Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a pumpkin pie crust. First, gather your ingredients: 2 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of unsalted butter, and about 1/2 cup of ice water. Ensure your butter is very cold and cut into small, 1/2 inch cubes. This helps create a flaky crust. Remember, the key is to keep everything chilled. Next, in a large bowl, whisk together your flour and salt. Add the cold butter cubes and use a pastry blender or your fingertips to cut the butter into the flour until the mixture resembles coarse crumbs with some pea-sized pieces. Gradually add the ice water, 1 tablespoon at a time, mixing until the dough just barely comes together. Do not overmix. A shaggy dough is perfect. Now, divide your dough in half and gently form each half into a flat disc. Wrap each disc tightly in plastic wrap and refrigerate for at least 30 minutes or up to 2 days. This chilling period is crucial for gluten relaxation and easier rolling. On a lightly floured surface, roll 1 disc into a 12-inch circle, about 1/8 inch thick, for your 9-inch pie plate. Carefully transfer the rolled dough into your pie plate, trimming and crimping the edges as desired. Prick the bottom of the crust all over with a fork to prevent bubbling. For a crisp crust, blind bake it at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 minutes, or until lightly golden. This prepares it perfectly for your pumpkin filling. Also, for an amazing clean, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to it and other great deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.